Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you own and have equipped the Lightning Devil fruit. Without it, color options won't appear. Once equipped, open the game menu, press M or your mapped key, and navigate to the Lightning Ability panel. You need sufficient currency and the required level to unlock color customization, so check your balance now. Because the game restricts changes by progress, confirm prerequisites before proceeding. This saves time and prevents errors when you try to change the color later. Once in the customization screen, locate the Customize or Appearance section for Lightning. This is where the color controls live. You can choose a preset or adjust RGB sliders to craft a specific hue. Use small adjustments to avoid oversaturation. Preview the change in the provided window to see how it looks in combat animations. The preview helps you judge brightness and contrast so your lightning remains visible against different environments. After fine-tuning, proceed to apply the change confidently. Now confirm the change and pay any required fee to finalize the color swap. The UI usually asks for confirmation before committing. Once applied, immediately test in a safe area. Use basic lightning attacks and any awakenings to ensure the color displays correctly in different effects. If the color doesn't show or looks glitched, relog into the game, clear local cache, or revert to the default color and try again. These steps often fix sync or rendering issues, making sure your desired look appears consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.